Everyone, this is Meenal Vijay Pense, and let's see what the third week of November 2020, that is from the 15th to the 21st of November 2020, has in store for the sun sign Sagittarius. For Sagittarians, this week is more of a week that asks you to look before you leap. Otherwise, there are a lot of things that you would do which will literally make you regret eventually. So, for this particular week, whether you're doing something, you're saying something, see to it that you think twice before you speak something or you do something. Otherwise, it might make you regret eventually at the end of the week. Moving on to your workspace. Surprisingly, for the restless Sagittarians or the excited and on the go Sagittarians, you are going to actually take up a project or some kind of a work that is going to be a very long term kind of a project. So see to it that you are absolutely careful when you're taking this project, because the project is going to be a long term project. It is not going to end up so soon. So there's going to be a lot of continuous, consistent, persistent planning and execution and hard work that is going to go into it. Yes, eventually the efforts will be paid off, and you will also be appreciated, and a lot of appreciation in the form of financial and even work wise appreciation will also come in, but that is going to take time. So make up your mind before you get into the project, because this project is not going to get over soon. It should not happen that you've gotten into the projects and 3 months after you might say, no, I don't want to do the project, and then that might lead to a lot of unpleasantness between you and your colleagues at work. So look before you leap and think before you speak, and whatever project that is being offered to you, see to it that you study it meticulously before you take up, because it is not going to be a short term but an absolute long term, time requiring and a consuming kind of a project. Moving on to the area of finances, be very very careful for in matters of finances for this week, because there's going to be some kind of a work or job that is not going to be done properly, due to which there's going to be a second kind of an expenditure happening. The most better example that can be given in this case is, let's say, if in case you're going for some kind of a house decoration or house renovation, there are very very high chances that one of the workers will land up making a mistake, due to which you will have to bear double the cost. So see to it that if such kind of a thing or an activity is happening in your life, you double check the plan and see to it that you're absolutely on the side, paying a lot of attention to the detailing, else it is simply going to be redone, and that will increase your financial budgets. Similarly, in the case, let's say if there is a wedding happening or some kind of a function or an activity happening in your personal life, see to it that the details of the activities around the main activity are thoroughly checked. Moving on to the space of relationships. For this week, there is going to be a lot of financial discord, or let's say kind of a disagreement between you and your partner. So this week is a week where you will have to sit down with your partner and discuss about the role finance plays in your relationships. There could be many things regarding finances that need to be discussed in the relationship. For, let's say for example, who pays the bills and who does the investments, where are it kept, and in whose name are they going to be made. So little such kind of intricate details of finances within the relationship, independently and between both the partners, need to be very very carefully discussed. It will ease out the financial tensions within the relationship. Moving on to the space of health. Sagittarians for this particular week are going to feel very very sluggish, slow, lazy, not in the mood. You might just not feel that kind of physical energy that you usually feel. So you might feel a little bit restless, uneasy, irritable, and snappy. So see to it that you maintain your regular eating, sleeping regimes so that you don't feel unnecessarily sluggish than usual. Here's wishing you a very, very beautiful and a very happy and a blessed week ahead.